Okay, now we introduce you how to, after you get the machine, how to installation and testing. So the first, when you get the India q-switch Y, and please check the packing box. If the packing box is everything's okay, you check. Everything is okay. Okay, now second, I need to open the box. Okay. Okay. Now the first floor is spare parts. Spare parts for the machine. The first one is funnel. Is for the install the water into the device. And second is the cable, power cable. This one is the glass for the doctors. Google's for the patient, customer. This is a fold switch. The holder to hold the handle. This is tapes 1064 and 532 carbon tape and fractional 755 tapes. This is the handle. This one is screws to hold the holder and case. Okay, now we just take out the machine. Okay, now the machine is here, and after you get the machine, you still check if it's painting everything. You check everything is okay. Okay. Now first I need to take this back and install the case and take out the screws. I need to install the holders. Now we take out the handle and install the handpiece. After you hear the click, it's okay. Now I need to infuse water to the machine. Take out this part and we go to here. And we install here. After you say the level need to be here, it's okay. Okay, now we push here and take out the funnel. Next, we need to take out this power cable and install here. This one's foot switch. Foot switch input here is okay. Now after the cable is inserted and take out this part, the yellow light is on, and now we can turn on the machine. Switch case. Emergency button is on. If this button is closed, the machine will not on. You must keep this one and this one both. Now it's loading. Now we first take out this 532 to test the machine. Here is a counter for the hand shots. Remember how many shots this handle working. Okay, now we just go into here. When you do the tattoos or carbon peeling treatment, we always start with 400 m jaw. Now here, when you do the small part, you can choose 1, 2, 3 HC, 1, 2, 3. If you want to do the big part tattoos or carbon peeling, you can choose faster. Okay, now we test. Ready the handle. Okay. When you do different treatment, you choose different tips. Here, you can choose 1064 and 755 and the carbon tip. This tip is 1064. This one's a fractional tape 755. And this one is carbon tape 1320 nanometers. Okay. This is 755 nanometers tape. This tape is a fractional laser output, and it's mainly for the skin whitening and the pigmentation removal. And we just make some shots for testing. You see the laser is fractional model. This is the best focus point. Out. Here is the best distance. Okay, this carbon tip, when you do carbon treatment, the carbon easy to be here. And after the treatment, use alcohol and a sticker to clean the lens. Every lens after treatment, you need to check the lens if it's any dusty on here. You need to clean it. Okay.